The project that we are going to build is complete backend e-commerce web API, and this is the last part of our section 1. So in this part we will restructure our code, and if you haven't watched our previous part, then our previous part video link and our full playlist link is in the description. While programming, if you got any error, then you can also check my description. There is a link of GitHub repository code, so you can simply copy the code inside your machine if you got any error. Now without wasting any time, let us move to our project. Inside our app.js, we are writing code for our products, but we are adding categories and also some another fields in our collection in future. So assume if we are writing all of this code inside this app.js file, then it will become very big and very confusing. So for that, I want to create a new folder named models. Inside that, I want to create a file for our product. Inside there, I want to cut all of this stuff that contain our model for our product field. So let us cut this part, paste here. Now here mongoose is undefined, so I also want to copy this and paste here. So now save this file, and I want to use this product model inside our app.js file. So I write here exports and now save the file. So we want to use this inside our app.js. So for that, let us import our product, and that will come from models product. Similar, our request, gets and post are too big inside our app.js. So I want to create another folder for our routes, and inside that I want to create a file for our products. And now let us import Express, and inside our Express there are something called router to route between our get and post methods. So let us use our router here, and I want to cut all of this stuff. First let us delete this comment. Now I want to cut this get and post method and paste here, but instead of this app I want to use router. Now save the file, but before that here I want to export this so I can use inside our app.js. So module.exports. So here I will write app.use. Inside this backtick I want to first use API, and this is for our products, and here I write product router. Make sure this p is small. So now let us declare product router, and I want to import our product file that is in routers. So now save the file. There is an error because our folder name is routes. Now here you can see when I call this API slash products, I will go inside this product router. So this is our products.js file inside our routes. But here also we are applying this, so it will be moved inside the children. So instead of this, I want to write only this. So here the product is undefined because we have to set the path for our model. So let us write here is equal to require product, and here you can see models is not defined because here we have to write module. So now save the file, and you can see here all the errors are gone and we are restructuring our file successfully. Database connection is ready now. Go inside app.js, and similar like we are importing our products, but I want to also import our categories, user routes and order routes. We are create the folder later, and here you can see we are use this, but now I also want to use categories, users, orders along with these products, and here our this part is not necessary now. So let us save this file and create our folders inside our models and routes. So here category.js, then order.js, last one is user.js. Similar like our routes, categories.js, users.js, and the last one is orders. Now we have to write code same like product. So I want to speed up this process because otherwise this video will be too long. Now in this category.js file, I want to write the code that is from this drive. So the link of this drive is in the description. So you can also go inside these models and copy this category.js file, order.js file and user.js file, and then paste the code inside your folder. So I want to paste this inside my category.js file, and I want to do same for our order and product. So here I copy both order.js file and user.js file from my drive link that are in the description. Now let us apply same inside our routes. So go inside the drive link, inside the routes, copy this categories.js file inside your this, and I want to do same for our order and users. So you can see I copy the file same as before for orders.js and users.js. So you have to copy these 6 files inside your computer because these process are too long and our video will be too long. After this, go inside app.js file and I want to install course. So write here npm install course because I want to apply cross origin resource sharing inside our project. So let us import this here, and then here I write app.use course, Then I want to set options for our all the files, so I use this, and here let us write course. So now save the file. So this will help to allow restricted web pages that we are routing. Let us go inside our product model. So here there are the file structure that we are going to save inside our database collection. So now I want to rewrite some of our fields. So for name, I write here type string, and this is required. So I write here required true, and then description. So this is for our product description. Type also gonna be string. Required is true. Then rich description. Type string. By default it is null. We have to write string here, and same like this I want to apply image. Images that contains array, then brand price. Let us apply category for our product, and I want to write type, that is mongoose dot schema type dot object id. Remember why I applying this, because you can see here inside our product collection each product have individual object id, and our product also have some categories. So all categories also have some individual id, so I write this here. And here I want to apply reference to category. So there are some concept of SQL you can apply here. So you can provide path between two tables. So I apply reference, and required is true. You will understand this reference later. Now write code same as me. Now inside this count in stock, I write type number, and required field is true. Then minimum value is 0 because it not has minus, and max, let us I apply here 255. Then same like this field I want to write product ratings, reviews, featured, and date created. So now save the file. You will understand all of these things that I apply in these model fields later when we are applying some of the requests like put and delete. Now let us go inside our category, and here I want to write name, icon, and color of our different product categories. Now we are completed our routes and schemas. So if you got any error inside this part, then you can check my description. I added the GitHub repository link, so you can simply copy the code inside your computer. And if you want to continue with this project, then next section part 1 video link is in the description. So inside our next section we will complete our products and categories model, and the description you can also find the full playlist link of this project. So stay tuned for our next section. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.